natural heritages, as the Himalayas are the very first site of it. And you will surely be reminded of Nepal. Yes, these enticing Himalayas are of Nepal, of course. You might have certainly been reminded of Mount Everest, a beautiful gift of nature, a world heritage which will not just tantalize you with its exotic views, but also inspire you to conquer it. To come and dare to fulfill the yearning desire to step on the highest peak of the world. The peak is awaiting your amiable company. Thousands of visitors trek to different parts of Nepal through areas between 1,000 to 5,000 meters, as the options available are abundant. You can freely trek into protected regions like Sheikhupsondo, Annapurna, Manaslu, Langtang, Sagarmatha, Makalu Barun, and not to forget Dolpa, Rara, Ilam, which provide exceptional trekking options. But preparation is a must for trekking, whether you set out individually or in groups to explore the natural endowments to the fullest. Mountaineering. The mountains of Nepal have stood as irresistible landmarks for the world's adventurers, whether it be the highest peak Mount Everest or other mountains ranging over 8,000 meters, which include Mount Makalu, Lhotse, Annapurna, and many more. Besides these, the mountain ranges above 5,000 meters are also technically quite challenging. Approximately 15% of the total area of Nepal is covered with the Himalayas. So why not just team up and apply for the permission to conquer some of the pioneer peaks of the world and leave behind the mark of your footprints in their golden history. If you aim to enroll yourself for mountaineering training, or even rock climbing.
En haut, il reste dans les villages vers 2000 mètres où il squatte les habitations et oblige les paysans à les nourrir gratuitement. C'est pour cette raison que le mouvement maoïste n'a pas un grand soutien des populations paysannes. Madabla. Au col, à 5850 mètres, nous avons la surprise de constater que les conditions d'enneigement ont énormément changé ces dernières années. Il y a quelques années, la descente était une simple marche sur glacier. Aujourd'hui, il faut chercher un passage à travers les crevasses et commencer par un rappel de 90 mètres.
Ready.
Migma est toujours devant, c'est un Sherpa, il a une caisse monstre. Dans tous les passages difficiles que l'on équipe de cordes fixes ou dans les descentes en rappel, c'est lui qui passe en premier. D'ailleurs, une équipe de Néo-Zélandais l'a sélectionné pour aller avec eux à l'Everest au printemps prochain.
Allez,